Catholic, St. Augustine's thinking resonates with my own beliefs. To put it simply, he combines Platonism and Christian's teachings. St. Augustine and I both believe in God. But occasionally I wonder, if there's a God, do I believe in God? Then it dawned on me that the world and universe are so orderly. We expect the sun to rise in the morning and set in the evening. The moon does not have any light of its own. It only reflects the sun. Humans are so singular that no other living thing on earth has exactly the same fingerprints. And yet, some people do not believe in God. I mean, if the universe did not come from the God, who did? Why is it organized? Why people are so special? Why there is a life? Someone must created the world. According to St. Augustine and his philosophy, humankind is created in the image of God. And the self is known only through knowing God. Means that when I believe in myself in an honoring way, I'm honoring what God has created. And therefore, God Himself. The more I believe in myself, the more separated I am spiritually from God. A self is just a person, a conscious alive human being. The reflexive pronouns myself and yourself are formed with the particle self, and they relate to people. The straightforward theory of selves is that they are people. However, many philosophers contend that there is a distinction to be made between myself and yourself. This self is thought of as some form of eternal principle or being that is necessary to but distinct from the individual as a whole, that is what makes me feel and thinks. In order to allow of the potential that they can all represent the same thing, I believe it is necessary to distinguish between three ideas that are mentioned in the literature on self: the self, the mind, and the soul. Some philosophers believe that the mind is nothing more than the brain or central nervous systems, while others believe that it is the part of me that experiences sensation and perceptions, hold ideas and desires, and begins actions. The mind is essentially a common sense idea that philosophers can explore. The soul is primarily a religious or theological idea. The soul is something that should be held accountable for both good deeds and wrongdoing.